What if I told you that most students waste over 70% of their study time? Yep, highlighting everything, rereading textbooks, watching 3-hour lectures while scrolling memes. All that feels productive, but it's not. Want to study 10 times faster? You don't need to work harder. You need to study smarter. In the next 6 minutes, I'll give you 5 science-backed techniques used by memory champions, top students, and even special forces. And if you stay till the end, I'll share one underrated method that literally rewires your brain to learn anything faster. Let's start with the 80-20 rule, also called the Pareto principle. It says that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your effort. In studying, this means not all topics are equally important. Stop trying to cover everything equally. Instead, scan your syllabus, past papers, or class notes and figure out the top 20% of content that appears again and again. Focus only on that first. Once you master the high-impact stuff, then move to the rest. It's not about studying more. It's about studying what matters most. Next up, active recall. This one's a game changer. Rereading a page 10 times feels nice, but it's passive. Your brain doesn't retain much. Instead, after reading a concept, close the book and try to recall it from memory. Write it down. Say it out loud. Quiz yourself. That mental sweat you feel while recalling? That's how real learning happens. You can use flashcards, questions at the end of chapters, or just teach it to your dog. Seriously, anything that forces your brain to retrieve, not just review. Ever cram for an exam, ace it, and forget everything the next week? Yeah, that's your brain deleting info it thinks is useless. To trick your brain into keeping it, use spaced repetition. Study the same concept again. Not tomorrow, but after increasing gaps. Day 1, then day 3, day 6, day 10. This strengthens the memory every time you almost forget it. Use flashcard apps like Anki, or just mark your notes and schedule review days on a calendar. It's like doing spaced push-ups. Your brain gets stronger with each rep. Next, the Pomodoro method, but not the boring version. Study for 25 minutes with 100% focus, no distractions. Then take a 5-minute break. But here's the twist. At the start of each Pomodoro, write down exactly what you plan to achieve. One clear outcome, not studying chemistry, but understanding and recalling 3 reactions from Chapter 4. After the timer ends, quickly review what you just learned. That little review locks it in. Do 3 to 4 of these stacked Pomodoros, and you'll get more done in 2 hours than most people do in a full day. Finally, the Feynman technique. It's stupidly simple, but incredibly effective. Pick a concept. Now explain it as if you're teaching a 10-year-old. No fancy jargon. If you get stuck, go back, learn it better, and try again. This forces your brain to simplify, connect, and own the concept. Bonus tip. Your environment matters. Find a place where your brain feels alert. Use scents, sounds, or lighting that make you feel switched on. Learning is about rhythm, not grind. If you try even 2 of these methods, your study speed will skyrocket. Hit that subscribe if you found this useful. We drop weekly brain hacks, productivity tips, and smart strategies.